The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 2022 is anything never before seen. Rumors abounding about the Z Fold 4 say it has sharper cameras, a new multitasking gesture, and a more streamlined design, among other top-tier new specs. Are these rumors like they say? Watch today's video as we unpack Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Exciting rumored features to expect. The widely anticipated reiteration of Samsung's premier foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 4, is almost here with us. And like you, we can't wait to see what Samsung has in store for us. As Lee Kun-hee says, Samsung's future hinges on new businesses, products, and technologies. We should make our corporate culture more open, flexible, and innovative. Since we can't wait, let's take a look at what we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Number 5. Galaxy Z Fold 4's hinge has been reworked. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is set to receive a whole new hinge regarding Samsung's foldable phone revamp. A double hinge was employed in Fold-Z's past to open and close the phone. However, Samsung is rumored to be switching to a single hinge with the Z Fold 4, and the Galaxy Z Fold 4's portability would be affected by this. In other news, it has been suggested that a single hinge would allow for a slot to house the S Pen, which was added to the Galaxy Z Fold 3 but didn't have a built-in attachment method. With this, it is expected that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will continue to lack a built-in pen storage option. When you don't want to unfold your phone, it will have a thin cover display. When you do, it will have a larger inner display with more screen rail estate. For least Navidad, Samsung. Number 4. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 4's cameras have been upgraded. Even the selfie camera on the Galaxy Z Fold 3 felt like an afterthought compared to the cameras on previous Z Fold models. Yet, rumors say that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will feature a significant redesign.
It's impressive, John. Did you teach them?
Samsung may employ the same 50-megapixel sensor in its upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4 camera as it has in its current flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S22, and may replace the current 12MP sensor with a 10MP one, which could mean a change to the telephoto lens as well. Nonetheless, this would allow the Galaxy Z Fold 4 to offer a 3x optical zoom instead of the 2x optical zoom currently available on the current model. Despite the lower resolution, a foldable phone isn't exactly what you need if you want one of the best cameras on a phone. In terms of overall value, a better camera on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 would more than make up for the device's exorbitant price tag. You don't want to miss out on Samsung's technological breakthroughs when they happen. Subscribe to the Samsung Newsroom with alerts enabled to stay up to date on the latest innovations from this tech behemoth. Number 3. New multitasking functions are on the leap. From hearsayers, new features for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 may include a new multitasking gesture thanks to a new motion called Swipe for Split Screen. The ability to multitask on a phone like the Galaxy Z Fold, one of the greatest folding phones, is a major selling point. 3 apps can run simultaneously on the upcoming Fold, which also has a flex mode that converts half of the screen into a control panel. Picture it as running multiple apps on your laptop, the ease alone. Number 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 will have a new, more powerful chipset. This year's Galaxy S21 smartphones were powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888, which is also used in the Galaxy Z Fold 3. When it comes to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, don't look for history to repeat itself.
No, not at all.
Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 is expected to power its future foldable. Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 powered smartphones will see an increase in performance due to this. And according to Qualcomm, the new chip has a 10% increase in CPU and GPU performance. In terms of power efficiency, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset may be the true winner. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipsets haven't exactly pleased us regarding battery life, but the company claims that the new chipsets are 15% more power efficient than their predecessors. Because the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is believed to have the same 4,400 mAh battery as the Z Fold 3, this is critical. Speaking of which, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 lasts less than 8 hours before running out of battery. That's below the average smartphone battery, which lasts just over 10 hours. Adding the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 to Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be worth it if it can bring its battery life in line with that of other smartphones. Would it? Let's find out in the coming minutes. Number 1. Battery. It's disappointing that the Fold 4's battery isn't getting any better. The Fold 4 will be capable of providing 4,270 mAh, practically identical to the 4,275 mAh rated capacity of the previous model. So, it's almost clear that the phone's advertised battery capacity will remain the same as the previous model. According to certain reports, Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 4 could have a larger battery than the Z Flip 3. If the rumor is correct, Samsung's forthcoming foldable phone will have the 25 watts charging speed of the Fold 3, even though we're disappointed with the battery efficiency. We can't wait to get a hold of the Galaxy Z Fold. When is it being released? Let's find that out as the video progresses. Pricing. Expect the new Galaxy Z Fold to be unreasonably costly once again. After all, it is likely to include cutting-edge specifications wrapped in a bold and rather unconventional form factor. The variant from the previous year cost $1,799, so it's safe to say that you'll need large bucks to acquire one of these foldable phablets. We anticipate that the Fold 4 will be priced similarly, although we have not yet received accurate information regarding a price rise or decrease this year. When will it be available? The next Galaxy Fold model appears not far away, based on the launch trend established by the previous models. Comparing the previous release dates for the series: Samsung Galaxy Fold, September 2019; Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, September 2020; Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, August 2021. If we follow this established trend, we may expect the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the successor to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 to appear in August or September this year. Along Galaxy Z Fold 4, the Galaxy Watch 5 is also expected to be unveiled simultaneously with this flagship. Even with Samsung's Fold 4 being the most anticipated of any of its future products, the Galaxy Watch 5 may be the best Samsung watch yet. Even more exciting, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 could get a battery boost. What other specs for the Watch 5 come with? Get to know in our next video. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Everything we know so far. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next.